Good afternoon from our home in the Smokies. It's Ryan.
And Brie.
In this video, we wanted to talk about a brand new series, which we will be doing every mountain coaster in the Smokies.
Woohoo!
Hopefully.
I'm
It's gonna
excited.
be a big task, but we're gonna try to bring you on every single coaster. We'll be recording and show you what the ride up to the top, or some of them actually start you with an immediate drop.
Yes.
So we'll be giving you a full rundown on what each coaster is like. We'll be breaking down how much they cost, can you ride with other people, and try to answer a lot of frequently asked questions about mountain coasters.
But most importantly, we are going to rank these coasters from 1 to 12, and the winner is going to get this trophy
Da, 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 da.
as #1 coaster in the Smokies for 2026.
Hold on, we gotta show them a little bit closer. You can see here it says Best Mountain Coaster in the Smokies by Adventure is Out There. So once we do all 12, we'll make a decision and pick the best mountain coaster in 2026. So that gives us room if we wanted to try it next year.
1 year at a time.
Yes. And again, hopefully we can do all 12. So we're excited to bring you along. We're gonna release a video every single day. And we don't normally daily vlog. We just kind of, between work and school and things that we're doing, we just do what we can when we can, but we're gonna have a whole series every single day. And I hope you guys enjoy coming along with us. We would love your feedback along the way. If there's a particular coaster you like, let us know when that one comes out, your thoughts, have you been on it?
If you're excited about this series, just go ahead and like this video. Leave a comment below which coaster you like the most here in the Smokies.
Or is there one that you haven't been on that you're looking forward to going for a ride on? So we'll have a 360 camera. We'll be doing all of the coasters in Gatlinburg. We'll also be doing all of the coasters in Pigeon Forge and Sevierville. That's it, short video. Just want to invite you to come along with us to our new coaster series. Hope you guys enjoy. Until next time, we'll see you tomorrow.
We'll see you tomorrow.
On the next video. Down in the pinned comment, check it out. If you missed it, if you're just joining, we'll see you over there.
Okay,
Bye.
bye.